In primetime news this evening, government announces fare hike. Crab vendors apologize. And later, police reveal more details about quadruple killing in Trelawney.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online as well as onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Devon Keys is here.
Well, Janella, the International Monetary Fund, IMF, has released its latest global outlook and in fact it's downgraded the growth projection for Jamaica while the regional and global outlook has improved. So I have the details a little later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Ford has a preview of Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, there have been a few changes to the Reggae Boys squad for their upcoming CONCACAF Nations League matches, but there are conflicting reports as to why one particular player has actually had to be replaced in the squad. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Tuesday.
I have my own theories, but I won't share it. Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thank you, Janella. Now, over the next few days, we're expecting drier conditions across most of the island. Strong winds as well. The winds could get to about 20 knots. We're not expecting any significant rainfall until about the weekend.
There's also E-Prime and sports commentary in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, when reopened, will you continue to support the vendors at Crab Circle? Give reasons for your answer.
I'm just waiting for those responses. Keep your comments, share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.